Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to take a backup of your WordPress website files and database. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to websites. And here you will see a list of the available WordPress sites on your hosting plan. And next to the WordPress website that you want to take a backup of, and by a backup I mean the website's files and databases, click on Manage. First, we'll start with the backup or the files backup. To get it, it's simple. Here, if you go directly to the Backups tab and you try to backup your files by clicking on Access Backups. Here today is Wednesday, and as you see, I can only select an old backup from Monday. Let's say I want the latest possible or the current backup of my WordPress files and database. This will not be useful for me. So the solution to this is to go to Files and Access. Then next to File Manager, click on Manage button. This way you will land exactly into the folder responsible about the files of this WordPress website. Now to take a files backup of this website, simply select the first file or folder with your mouse, then scroll down to the bottom, and before selecting the last file on this list, keep hitting Shift or keep pressing Shift on your keyboard and click on the last file or select the last file on this list. This way you will select all the files and folders. Now, before trying to download them, let's compress them into a single file. Click on Compress from here, like that. Select Zip Archive, and then click on Compress Files. They are now compressing all of those files into this, all of those files and folders into this single compressed file called cgi.dashbin.zip. This, click on Close. Let's look for this CGI. I think I need to refresh this list, and this is my compressed file. As you see, this backup file size in 113 megabytes. So this is a little bit average or a small backup file. Now to download it to your computer, simply click on it with the right button of your mouse like that. You will see this menu, select download. And as you see, it was the backup or the files backup is downloading to my computer. Now, while this files backup is downloaded to my computer, let's show you how to download a backup of your database or WordPress database. Same thing here. You can go back to the overview page. Here the same thing. If you try to download it from this backups tab, click on Access Backups. You can only select this database backup is a little bit older for me. So what I will do, go to the overview page, then click on phpMyAdmin. If for whatever reason Bluehost changes this interface, first let's open it from here to know what we are talking about. This is the page we are looking for, called phpMyAdmin. If you can't access it from the overview page, you can simply go back to the hosting page and look for this cPanel button. Click on it. Now scroll down to databases and click on phpMyAdmin. You will land on the same page. Now that we are inside the phpMyAdmin, first we need to select which database we need to export or to download to our computer. Here, as you see, I have multiple databases and I can't know which one is linked or responsible, or which one is from my WordPress website, website on Bluehost. To know which one, simply go to the Bluehost account, go to websites, and next to your WordPress website, click on Manage. Just to go back to this overview tab, or not to this overview tab, go to the Backups tab, and below Database Backups, click on Access Backups. Here, below the date, click on Select Database, and here, as you see, I have multiple databases, but the one that is linked to my WordPress is this one called this text WPLEO. I know it because it has the current website tag. Now you can leave this page, go back to the phpMyAdmin, and see here. This is the WPLEO. It's the second database. Click on it. Now this is the content of, or the tables, or yes, the tables or the content inside your database. To export or to download it to your computer, simply click on Export from here. Keep it quick, display only the minimal options, click on Export. And now this is the database backups. It ends with SQL. And this is the compressed file. Let's see those downloaded files. I don't want to open it or decompress it. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now let's open or let's view those downloaded files on my computer. And this is the files backups. If I double click it, it will start decompressing into this folder. And this is my WordPress files backup, and this is the database. And this is how to backup your WordPress website files and database from Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.